There's a dinosaur in my bathtub. Splash, splash, splash in my bathtub. Tiny dino, green and bright, playing in the water tonight. Tiny dino, splish, 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 swimming like a little fish. Tail goes swish and feet go tap. Then he jumps into my lap. Roar, roar, splash. One rubber duck says, hello. Two soap bubbles start to glow. Three toy boats go float, float, float. Four little frogs ride one boat. Splash, splash, dinosaur. Water on the bathroom floor. Big splash here, small splash there. Bubbles floating everywhere. Splash, splash, dinosaur. Bath time fun forevermore. Five bright bubbles floating high. Dino waves and says goodbye. Scrub, scrub, scrub from head to toe. Clean little dino starts to glow. Water drops go drip, drip, drip. Tiny dino starts to slip. Oops, he lands beside the tub, then jumps back for one more scrub. Good night, dino, bath is done. Bath time games were lots of fun. Wave your tail and sigh.